May I request everyone to please stand for our opening prayer to be led us by Ms. Ovenita. Amen. Please do remain standing for our energizers. Do you know the song Up and Down and Shake, Shake, Shake? Okay, thank you so much. Before you can sit, can you pick up some pieces of paper under your chairs and throw it in our class canteen? Okay. Is there anyone absent today? None? Since no one is absent, let's give ourselves into a thunderous applause. Class, I have here a classroom rules that you need to follow. First, listen carefully. Second, always be kind. Third, always do your best. Okay, is that clear? Before we proceed to our new discussion this afternoon, let's have first a short recap about what we discussed last meeting. Miss Katayuna, thank you. Before we proceed with our new discussion this morning, we will have first the activity that will connect with our new topic. I have here a word puzzle. All you need to do is you need to find a word and encircle. Okay, Miss Obenita? Thank you so much. And the word is culture, school, principal, and theories. So our topic now, based on our activity this afternoon, do you have any idea what was our new topic this morning? Miss Maloloyon? Okay, thank you so much. Now, class, our topic this afternoon is all about the principle and theories on school culture. But before that, let me share with you our objectives in this class. Everybody please read. When you say culture, what comes into your mind? Miss Kapubis. Thank you. What is culture? Everybody please read. Thank you. Culture is not a simple concept. It is a complex system made of meanings, symbols, beliefs, costumes, and values that shape how people live and interact. And also, culture is a broad and includes language, traditions, art, religion, and everyday habits. No single definition can fully capture its complexity. Instead, it continues to be studied and redefined over time. According to Wen Shilu, cited in 2010, defines different common uses of the term culture. First, please read everybody. Thank you so much. This statement highlights the idea that culture is what makes human distinct from nature and biology. Unlike animals which rely solely on instinct and biology to survive, humans create culture to shape their world, solve problems, and protect themselves from natural forces. Second is cultural refinement mannerism. This definition of culture focuses on refinement, sophistication, and good manners, distinguish it from things that are considered crude, vulgar, or unrefined. In this sense, culture is about the cultivation of taste, behavior, and intellect, how people develop a sense of what is proper or elegant society. The third one is culture civilization. Miss Pastor, can you read? Thank you. This definition of culture associates it with civilization, meaning progress, develop, and organized society. It contrasts culture with what is considered backward or barbaric, implying that a cultured society is advanced while a lack of culture is linked to primitive or uncivilized behavior. And next is cultural dominance. Do you have any idea about this class? Okay, no one. Miss Lopez, can you read? Thank you. Thank you. The dominant culture is one that has power and influence in society, while marginal cultures are smaller groups groups that may have different traditions or beliefs but are not as widely accepted or powerful. And the last is culture, the shifting tension, the shared and the unshared. Everybody, please read. Thank you. The definition of culture highlights the idea that culture is not just about things that are completely shared or unshared. Instead, it is about the tension and movement between the two. Next slide. And also, culture is always changing because people debate, accept, reject, and mix ideas. Now, do you have... Class, do you understand of what we discussed earlier? Okay, since everyone understood our discussion this afternoon, we will have a role-play activity. But before that, I will group you into two groups. Mr. Alberto, please count 1 to 2 ends with Miss Zoilo. And the group 1 will stay at the right side and the group 2 will stay at the left side. Each group will perform a short role play regarding our topic this morning, or you can pick one of the different common uses in terms of school culture, which is our discussion this morning. And I will give you 5 minutes to do it and 5 minutes for your presentation. But before that, we have here a rubrics for you to guide of your presentation. Okay, the 10 minutes is past. Group 1, are you ready to perform? Okay, let's witness the group 1. Very good. Let's give a 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's witness the group 2. Very good, group 2. Group 1, let's give the group 2 a 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Class, do you understand or do you have any clarification questions regarding to our topic this afternoon? Miss Lopez? Okay, none. We don't have any questions. Miss Dastos, do you have any questions or clarification? No? Okay. Since you don't have any questions and clarifications for our topic this afternoon, I will be the one who asks the questions. I have here a number of your attendance, and I will pick 3 numbers, and that 3 person will answer my question. First is number 7. Number 7, here is your question. How would you appreciate the importance of the principle and theories on school culture? Okay, thank you for your wonderful answer. And do you have any idea, Miss Maluluyon, about what number 7 said? Okay, none. The next question is for you, Miss Kabuso. Miss Kabuso, can you give me what are the different common uses of the term culture? Very good, Miss Kabuso. Let's give Miss Kabuso a 5 clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Class, do you have any questions, further clarifications? Mr. Maniago? None? Okay, none. Since none, I want you to get a 1-foot sheet of paper and answer the following questions that I will be giving on you. Miss Kabuso, can you pass it to your back? No. I will give you 5 minutes to do that activity. Okay, time's up. 5 minutes is already gone. Students, please pass your paper in the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And late paper will never be accepted. For your assignment, please get your notebook and write down your assignment. Your assignment is you need to do a poster making that indicates our topic this afternoon. Is that clear, class? Okay, since our assignment is already detailed, may I request everyone to please stand for our closing prayer. Miss Lopez, can we lead our prayer? Amen. Goodbye and thank you, class.